hop. You might be making these English mistakes every day. And the worst part, you don't even realize it. Today, I will show you 10 common English mistakes and how to fix them easily. Let's start. Mistake number 1. I did a mistake. Correct. I made a mistake. Mistake number 2. I am agree. Correct. I agree. Mistake number 3. She have 20 years. Correct. She is 20 years old. Mistake number 4. I very like it. Correct. I really like it. Mistake number 5. Open the light. Correct. Turn on the light. Mistake number 6. I have 25 years. Correct. I am 25 years old. Mistake number 7. He don't like it. Correct. He doesn't like it. Mistake number 8. I go to home. Correct. I go home. Mistake number 9. I am here since 2 hours. Correct. I have been here for 2 hours. Mistake number 10. Explain me this. Correct. Explain this to me. Great job. Now you know 10 common English mistakes. Which one was new for you? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget, practice every day.